Hello! In this video, I'll show you the best ways to fix the issue where Windows Explorer or File Explorer keeps crashing, freezing, or not responding. This is a common problem in Windows 11 and 10, but it's usually easy to fix. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. The first and quickest step is to restart the Windows Explorer process. This refreshes the interface and can stop an immediate crash loop. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open the Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, look for Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. Your taskbar might disappear for a second and then come back. If Windows Explorer is completely frozen and not showing in the list, click on Run New Task, type explorer.exe, and hit Enter to force it to start again. Method 2. Clear File Explorer history and change settings. Sometimes a corrupted cache or a heavy quick access page can cause File Explorer to crash as soon as it opens. Click on the search bar and type File Explorer Options, then hit Enter. In the General tab, look for the Privacy section at the bottom and click the Clear button next to Clear File Explorer History. Next, at the very top, change the Open File Explorer 2 setting from Home or Quick Access to This PC. Click Apply and OK. This prevents Windows from trying to load recent files that might be causing the crash. Method 3. Repair System Files, SFC and DISM. If the crashing persists, it might be due to corrupted system files. We can fix this using the command prompt. Type CMD in the search bar, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. First, type the following command and hit Enter: SFC/scannow. Wait for the verification to reach 100%. If it finds errors it cannot fix, type this second command: DISM/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth. This will download healthy system files from Windows Update to replace the corrupted ones. Once finished, restart your computer and check if the problem is solved. These three methods solve the majority of File Explorer issues. Leave a comment below telling me if this worked for you or if you're still experiencing freezes. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.